Hey guys, Tiana from Cricket Media here, and today I'm going to show you some fun DIY ornament ideas. Also, pardon the sun flare in the video, we are still learning, you guys. For these ornaments, we used clear, fillable ornament bulbs. I bought one pack that came with 10 ornament balls from Amazon. This first idea is to fill the ornament with glitter or confetti. I chose this pearlescent star confetti because it looks kind of like snow to me, and when light hits it, it really shines. You can seal the ornament with a hot glue gun or washi tape. I chose to use washi tape so that this ornament bulb is reusable next year. Idea 2. So, we've all seen candy canes on trees, right? What if we put candy inside of the ornament? Picture this. Everyone is sitting around the Christmas tree opening presents. You want some candy, you go up and pluck an ornament off the tree, and you get some candy. Just like you do with the candy canes. This is another reusable ornament idea, so sealing it with washi tape or any tape you have available is a good idea. Third idea, a floral arrangement. I used spray adhesive on the inside of the ornament and on the flowers, and then I put fake poinsettias into the ornament. In hindsight, the spray adhesive wasn't really necessary. And as always, I seal the ornament with washi tape. The fourth idea will require paint, glitter, and spray adhesive. In one half of the ornament, pour in a generous amount of paint, and then rotate the half of the ornament so that the paint spreads out. If you need to, use your finger to spread the paint over a larger area, and then set it aside to dry. The idea is for this half of the ornament to be completely opaque. In the other half of the ornament, spray a light layer of adhesive and then sprinkle any glitter or combination of glitters that you want. This ornament won't really be reusable, so with this one you can seal with washi tape or you can seal with a hot glue gun. And here are the completed crafts. If you all enjoyed this video, please like and hit that subscribe button below. Merry Christmas, everyone!